Hello, my name is Andrea Rincon. Important events in my life. Your favorite vacation? In the snow with my family. Celebrating in New Year. I am skiing. We are on walk in the station. Questions. Where did you go? Who did you go with? When was that vacation? Where did you go? I went traveled with my family to visit my mom to Switzerland. We went to play in the snow with my mom and my daughter. Who did you go with? I traveled with my brother and my daughter. When was that vacation? The vacation was in December. Conclusion. I learned to make prayers in simple paths and to note what I did on vacation with the answer to the question raised.